Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be predicting the price movement of Palantir stock. I'm a swing trader, and I don't consider price changes a month in advance. This channel only provides short-term price predictions, typically 1 to 3 weeks. Please subscribe to this channel. Palantir stock rose further on Friday, but signs of selling pressure were very clear. This indicates that the stock is currently facing some downward pressure due to its record high price. Looking at the 30-minute chart, we can see that the stock was in a consolidation phase from October 3rd to October 22nd. Although bears attempted to push the price down, it didn't fall below $169. This indicates that the stock is still supported by bullish forces. The stock has risen further in the last 3 days with a significant increase in volume. This suggests that some profit-taking has occurred as profit-taking has widened significantly, but the total outflow of funds is limited. Bulls still seem to have the momentum to push the price higher. The position distribution of the stock shows that the majority of positions are still concentrated below $192.60. This indicates that bullish capital that entered the market at the lows over the past 2 months has not yet withdrawn on a large scale, suggesting that bulls still have the incentive to maintain the stock price at a high level or push it further up. However, due to the significant profit-taking, if the stock price rises further, it will face substantial selling pressure from profit-taking capital, which will undoubtedly limit the upward potential. Let's return to the daily chart of this stock. Palantir's revenue last quarter exceeded analysts' expectations by 6.8%, reaching $1 billion, a year-over-year increase of 48%. This was a remarkable quarter for the company. This quarter, analysts expect Palantir's revenue to increase by 50.7% year-over-year to $1.09 billion, higher than the 30% increase in the same period last year. Adjusted earnings per share are expected to be 17 cents. The company just signed a new defense agreement with the Polish government, which directly led to its stock price reaching a record high. However, despite strong market demand for its AI tools, Palantir's high valuation remains a concern, and analysts remain cautious about the stock. Ahead of its Q3 earnings release, Piper Sandler analyst Clark Jeffries reiterated his buy rating on Palantir stock and raised his price target from $182 to $201, reflecting continued upside potential for the AI stock. Jeffries acknowledged that Palantir's valuation remains high, leaving little room for error should growth slow. However, he believes the company has not yet reached its peak growth phase, and there are no clear catalysts to derail current momentum. Overall, Wall Street is neutral on Palantir stock, with a consensus rating of hold based on 4 buy, 13 hold, and 2 sell recommendations. The average price target for Palantir stock is $157.60, implying a 21% downside risk from current levels. Technical analysis summary. Technically, the stock appears to still have momentum for further gains, but market trading may be cautious. The reason is that the stock's current P/E ratio is very high, which may limit the upside potential of the share price. The stock experienced a significant correction between February and March this year, followed by a sustained rise. However, the current price has once again reached an all-time high, meaning that after the company's third-quarter earnings report, its share price may experience another deep correction. As for the target price, I set it in the $192 to $182 range. The top of this upward trend may not break through $210 or deviate too much above that price, and then the stock may correct sharply downwards. Okay, guys, that's my price prediction for Palantir stock. Thanks for watching. If you agree with my analysis, please share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.